conflict in Ukraine has witnessed a rise in the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, specifically first-person view, commonly known as FPV drones, by both sides. These drones, now equipped with improvised warheads, effectively target armored vehicles, fortifications, and the personnel inside them. Their agility and cost-effectiveness pose a serious threat, as they can carry out precise attacks with anti-tank weapons. In response to this growing threat, Russia has introduced upgraded anti-FPV drone systems for their tanks to enhance battlefield survivability. This system, known as the Triton tank anti-FPV drone system, includes suppression modules and an antenna mounted on armored vehicles. So, what capabilities does this anti-drone system possess, and is it effective in countering the drone threats? Before answering this question, let's take a closer look at this Triton tank anti-FPV drone system. The Triton tank anti-FPV drone system, developed by PPSH Laboratory in St. Petersburg, is a cutting-edge Russian electronic defense system designed to protect tanks from FPV drones. Recently showcased at the Army 2023 Forum, it was successfully integrated with a T-72B3M tank. The primary function of the Triton system is to block the control channels and data transmission of FPV drones. It operates on 4 different frequency bands: 868, 915, 1300, and 2400 megahertz. The system can be powered by either a battery or the tank's onboard network and can be controlled remotely. By disrupting the control signals of FPV drones within a 300-meter radius using multiple emitters, the Triton system provides essential protection for tanks and other armored vehicles, safeguarding them against drone-based explosives and targeted attacks. Regarding the upgraded version, the delivery of these enhancements was announced by Denis Oslomenko, CEO of Laboratory PPSH, in May. The new iteration of the Triton system focuses on ease of use and installation, with pyramid-shaped modules that can be quickly attached to tanks in just 5 minutes. This rapid deployment is essential for tanks to respond swiftly to drone threats on the battlefield. Additionally, the system's modularity allows for adaptation to different situations, enabling the effective range to be increased by adding modules to counter evolving drone technologies. Another significant improvement in the upgraded Triton system is its concealment capabilities. The original version lacked strategies to hide the emitter units, which could alert enemies and give them a chance to respond. The upgraded Triton addresses this issue with pyramid-shaped modules that make the system more compact and difficult for foes to detect. This design makes it challenging for enemies to pinpoint and attack the system. The enhanced Triton system also boasts increased versatility compared to its predecessor. While initially intended for tank use, the new version's modular structure allows it to be easily installed on various platforms, such as ATVs, boats, and stationary structures, thereby expanding the defense capabilities for soldiers in combat. Furthermore, the upgraded Triton system takes a proactive stance against emerging threats by enabling the integration of new emitters to counter drones using innovative frequencies. The CEO of Laboratory PPSH recently made an interesting announcement that Russian forces in Ukraine are now using drone suppressor robots equipped with the company's Triton electronic warfare system. These systems are deployed beyond the front lines to shield evacuation teams from enemy drone attacks. In addition, they are developing 2 new types of unmanned ground vehicles, or UGVs, with the same jamming system. These UGVs will be ideal companions for assault groups or special assault robots on missions. One example is the Triton electromagnetic interference suppressor mounted on a Varan UGV. The lab even shared a video and photo of this innovation recently. Interestingly, laboratory PPSH isn't marketing this as a protection device for evacuation teams or robots. Instead, they are promoting it as an effective EW system for covering assault groups. This development highlights the versatility and strategic importance of the Triton system. The Russian military has experienced a surge in demand for Triton-like systems due to the extensive use of armed FPV drones in the Ukraine conflict. Currently, Russian tanks lack sufficient protection against these drones. Drones have become a dominant force on the 21st century battlefield. These UAVs, once favored by hobbyists, have evolved into significant threats capable of reconnaissance, harassment, and lethal attacks. The widespread availability of drones, particularly small, commercially available models, poses a major concern. Their affordability, ease of use, and maneuverability make them ideal for scouting enemy positions or launching surprise attacks. In response to this escalating drone threat, advancements in counter-drone technology have been made, with Russia's upgraded Triton system being a notable example. Regarding the effectiveness of this system, Russia has claimed that the Triton system is effective, but its actual performance is still being questioned. Independent verification is scarce, and it might only be effective against certain frequencies. This could potentially give drone operators the ability to evade jamming by changing frequencies. Despite these uncertainties, the development of the Triton system highlights the growing need for robust counter-drone technology. As drone technology advances, countermeasures must also evolve. Future versions of the Triton system may include wider frequency ranges or use different methods, such as signal hijacking, to completely eliminate drone threats. The rise of drones and the concurrent advancement of systems like Triton signal a new era in warfare. It represents an ongoing competition between offensive and defensive capabilities, with profound implications for the future of combat. The question of whether the upgraded Triton system will serve as a definitive solution or merely a step in an ongoing arms race remains unanswered. What do you anticipate this new Russian anti-drone system will bring? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.